got loyalty, got royalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA. I got hustle, though, ambition, flow inside my DNA.
Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Sean B Nice, back again with some more heat rocking. Today we're looking at the Apple AirPods, dental floss, whatever the hell you want to call it. Look, before this starts, I'm going to go on record and state I am, and people who know me, who's been a part of my channel for the longest, knows that I am no way, shape, or form an Apple fanboy, or let alone hell, maybe even an Apple fan. Just not a huge Apple person like that. They make good products, but I'm just not a huge Apple person. But I can say wholeheartedly, this is the best product that Apple's made, probably so like in a long time, and that's including the HomePod, all that. This is by far the best Apple product that they've made. Now we're gonna get into if they're worth the price or not, as far as how they sound, all that good stuff. So here's what we're gonna cover in this video, as if they're good with sound. That's what you buy headphones for. I don't give a shit what no one says. You buy a set of headphones, yes, you're using them to work out, but you're definitely still buying them for at least decent, somewhat sound. Okay. Number 2, how they fit in your ear. Number 3, how they for fitness. And number 4, connectivity. And number 5, any other mishaps or miscellaneous things I don't like or I do like about the headphone. Okay. So number 1, sound. As far as sound is concerned, these joints here, I'm not gonna say that they do better, but they damn sure ain't heat rock. The sound on these I don't like. The reason why I don't like the sound is because of the simple fact, when you turn them up too high, they start to get to that part where they irritate your ears, and I hate that about headphones. I wanna be able to turn my music high and still have a full, rich sound, okay? So, as far as the sound department goes, they're okay. If I had to give them a scale of 1 to 10, I would give them about a 6, okay? In comparison, Icon Next, I would probably give them about like an 8. For Bluetooth, for, you know what I'm saying, true wireless earbuds, I would give the Icon Next about an 8, okay? So, sound, somewhat doo-doo better. Number 2, how they fit in your ear. Now, I can show you that right now. Now, as far as how they fit in your ear, here you go. As dumb as this shit looks, it's here. I don't like that part. I wanna touch on that. I don't like this. I do not like this at all. I do not like the way they're hanging on my ear. Because with the Icon Next, if I put my hat down, can't see them no more. You still see these. They're not as noticeable, but you still see them. I don't like it. Icon Next, you put your hat down, don't even know you got them on. You can keep them all day in at work. You good to go. So I don't like the way they hang out your ear as far as fit is concerned. Now they do fit in my ear, boom, no problems at all. No real huge issue. I'm a little bit surprised. I thought they were gonna fall on my ear, but most Apple earphones fit my ear in the first place. So we are cool in that department. Now, as far as fitness is concerned, surprisingly, fitness, they stay in my ear. I thought they were gonna fall out. They did not. So shout out to Apple for that. You guys were able to make a product that they were still able to fit in your ear, being very small, very tiny, come in a very small case. So great job to you on that, Apple. I'll give kudos when kudos is due. So yeah, for fitness, would I recommend these for fitness or running? Yes, because they are definitely lightweight. Are they as good and maybe as secure as the Icon X? No, but they're good. They're good nonetheless. And number 4, connectivity. Now, I'm gonna go on record and say this. Again, y'all already know I'm more so of an Android person, usually favorite towards Samsung. That's just a product I know and truly love. They have the best connectivity, like as far as setting up and everything is concerned, on the market. And because for the simple fact that the moment I connect these to my iPhone, it connects to a MacBook. If I own these products, I don't. But if I had a MacBook, an iPad, whatever the Apple product that I have in my house, they're synced with those two. That's fire. I don't know any other company. I know Samsung's working on a connected life. I know they're working on something like that, but Apple has it now. So shout out to Apple for that. That is a perfect way to go. I love that. I love that a lot. Too bad. And I wish Android and Windows is kind of like, you know, Mac, like how Mac and iOS is. I kind of wish Android and Windows like that, where you connect anything to your Android phone and automatically connects to Windows, but whatever. Connectivity, A1, they get a 10 out of 10 for that. Hell, I even give them 11. Now, here's the things that the miscellaneous things I was kind of discussing with you guys. Sound quality, great. Anytime I have a phone call with anyone, they sound great. They say I sound crystal clear, no problem. Same thing with the Icon Next, no problems at all. Battery life. Battery life is A1, and you can get, I think, what, 24 hours with these? Like with the charging case, you get like a couple of charges with the charging case. And the irony in that is that it's actually smaller than the Icon Next, but you get more charges with this. So, funny. You can't store music on it, on the headphones, but you do get more charges out of it. We cover battery life. They definitely get you throughout the day. So like on one single charge, without you putting it back in the case a while, you get about 5 hours. We cover connectivity. We cover, oh, how much I got? Touch control. Touch controls on this is pretty ass. You can only double tap it to get Siri, and that's pretty much it, but you can't like skip songs and turn the volume down, pause the music. Now, if you take it out, it will pause because they're connected to the phone, or if you take one out, it would definitely keep, you know, it'll stop the music. But I wish they had touch control. And I wish they had, I just kind of wish there's like a better system as far as finding these. Now, they do have like a Find My AirPods, just like Samsung have a, you know, Find My Icon and Find My Phone, all that good stuff. So they do have that. But as you guys can see, I've dropped these twice already. So these can't easily be lost. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. They can easily be lost. So overall, now here's a $1 million question of the day. Overall, are they worth $160, maybe like around $150? I can't say yes. The reason why I can't say yes is because no matter what anyone says, I don't care what anyone says. When you buy headphones, you still want decent sound. And to me, they don't sound that good. $100, Apple, you will be bringing in big bucks. You already bring in big bucks now because people are buying these like crazy because they're like very, very small and you can't even tell they're in your pocket. I can't say that. They are definitely the most easiest thing to put in your pocket. But I won't say that they're worth the $150. Again, $110, $120, hell, better even $100. They're definitely worth that price. It's just the sound, to me, they don't sound that good when you turn them up to max volume, and I really hate that. I'm one of those people, if I'm in the gym, if I'm out running outside, I want my stuff to be maxed out, and I want it to sound good. Don't get me wrong, it got decent bass and stuff like that. It's just that when you turn it up loud to maybe try to drown out the other sound that's around you, they get real, they get to the point that start to irritate your ears. That's my take on it. Let me know what you guys think. Shout out to Apple. Great product, just not for me, not worth the price that you're asking for. So, it's your boy Sean, be nice, man. I'm out. Deuces.